Everyone, this video will be very useful for you, as in this video I am going to show you 10 essential Windows shortcuts that will make you significantly faster in your workflow. So let's get started. So our first shortcut is Windows plus E. When you first press this shortcut, you may get different kind of window. So let me tell you how to set up the shortcut to open the drives from here and not the quick access panel. So first of all, go to view and go to options from here. You can see here in the general tab we have open file explorer in new PC. It may be quick access, so you just need to change that to this PC and then apply and OK. Now when you press Windows plus E, the drives will open. And yeah, this is our first shortcut, and let's go to our second shortcut, which is Windows plus A, and it is really useful shortcut if you want to access the quick settings. This is called a quick action center. I can get all the options: mobile hotspot, airplane mode, Bluetooth, everything from here. So let's move on to our next shortcut, which is related to Notepad. Just a quick tip here. You can use Windows plus R to open run command and just type here Notepad. Let's add some paragraph here. I'm adding some. Now suppose we have two commas here. So when you press Ctrl plus H, it will open replace window, and you just need to type comma and replace with. Suppose you have to replace it with full stop and then replace all. This is really useful shortcut. Now you can see that it has replaced it. Now let's move on to our next shortcut, which is Windows plus I. So when you press this shortcut, it will open settings and you can actually find a lot of options related to Windows. Let's move on to the next shortcut. So there is a very quick way to toggle to the desktop and then to the window which you are on. So let me quickly show that. So when you press Windows plus E, it will open Windows Explorer, and then when you press Windows plus D, it will toggle to the desktop, and again if you press Windows D, it will move back to the window which you were there before. So this is also really useful. Like if you have many tabs opened, like I have many tabs open, now you can quickly go to the desktop using Windows plus D, and when you again press the Windows plus D, this tab will be there. Let's move on to another shortcut which is really useful. So this feature of virtual desktop was introduced in Windows 10. This feature is really useful if you want to have many desktop for different purposes, like one desktop for your work, and for personal space you can create another desktop. So this is how you can do that. So you need to press Windows plus Ctrl plus D and it will create a new desktop. You can see using this task view menu. This is desktop 3 here, you can see that, and there is also a quick way to name it as well. So you can name it maybe work here and this personal. Now after you have named these, you can also move to your desktops using Windows Control plus Windows plus arrow keys. See, you are moving from desktops. So the next shortcut is really useful. It is Windows plus Shift plus S. When you press this, it will open snipping tool, and this is the custom one. So rectangular, you can freely snip any window or any area you want. Like I want to share these icons. So this has snipped it, and now you'll see here in the quick action center is there, and you can also mark something if you want. Like if you want to mark something, you can also do that. It has move features. Again, if you click Windows plus Shift plus S, we have this lasso freeform snipping tool, and it will like freeform. You can freeform snip it. Again, if you click Windows plus Shift plus S, you'll get this if you want to like snip a particular window. So now after clicking, you can click on this, and if you hover over a window, it will create this. Now you can share this. Now again, there is a full screen snip here. It will take a snip of the whole desktop. The next shortcut is really useful if you have any window open. Quickly snap it using the arrow keys. So if you want to snap it bottom, Windows key plus bottom arrow key. If you want to snap it to the right, you can press the Windows key and then right arrow. Now there's also a very useful feature of Windows, which is clipboard. Copy this text, copy Notepad, and then let's type something, settings, again copy that. Now when you go, it will keep there and the list will go on. If you want to have many copied items in your clipboard, now if I click on Notepad and if I paste it here, it will be a Notepad. Now the last shortcut is for quickly access diagnostic tools of Windows and many other tools for like device manager. So you can press Windows plus X key and it will open this contextual menu. So you can have apps and features, mobility center, power options from there. As like power options, this option is really convenient. You want to customize your device battery use, okay, and again it has many useful options there. Windows parcel, okay. Now one more thing you can do there is you can also replace the Windows parcel here with the command prompt. What you need to do is go to taskbar settings and there you need to toggle this off, and then when you press Windows plus X key. Now this was the list of very useful shortcuts which will make you significantly faster in Windows. Now I hope you liked this video and I'll continue to make these amazing videos for you. Please subscribe to this channel, please leave a like and also share this with your friends.